Today we're going to make some meatloaf. That is 1 pound of pork, 1 pound of beef. We're going to use some salt and some pepper and some no salt seasoning. Right here is green pepper cut up and a yellow onion cut up. A little small amount of garlic, 2 eggs. I have 2 slices of bread that I'm going to make into breadcrumbs. So we're going to start off by taking the chopped green peppers and yellow onions into a pan and saute that for a little bit of time. Add in your garlic. So what I did was I seasoned the bread with some salt and pepper. We want to toast it on both sides. So this is what I do. You can always go to the store and buy a bag of seasoned breadcrumbs, but I like this because there's no other ingredients added but just bread. When you go buy a bag of seasoned breadcrumbs, you don't know what other additives and artificial stuff is added to it. This is just straight bread, and then it becomes breadcrumbs, just like when you add to your turkey for Thanksgiving. We're gonna add that in. That's, I think, about a half a cup. Add in your sauteed peppers and onions. And now this is where it gets messy when you use your hands. Yes, I did wash my hands. Now we're gonna add the eggs. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of no salt seasoning because we don't want this to be overly salted. Add in your second egg. And we're gonna add some Dijon mustard. That's about a teaspoon. I forgot to show you guys that in the beginning of the video, but we're gonna add that in for a little bit of a kick. So this is the pan I have. It will collect all the grease at the bottom. So we're gonna put this in the oven 350 for close to an hour. So after an hour, you can use whatever barbecue sauce you want on the top, just to glaze it on the top, and then we're gonna put it back in the oven. So that's about maybe another 5 minutes in the oven, and let it get a little bit brown with the caramelization of the barbecue sauce on the top of the meatloaf. Barbecue sauce, it gets soaked into the top of the meatloaf. And there you go, that's it right there. Homemade meatloaf. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.